Hello, now we are going to say letters and sounds. Letter E sound eh, eh, eh. E is for earth. E is for eagle. Earth, earth. 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 Eagle, eagle. 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 Letter F sound. F is for friend. F is for farmer. Friend, friend. 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 Farmer, farmer. 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 E is for earth. E is for eagle. F is for farmer. F is for friend. Goodbye.